Good morning. Oh, it's cold.
Gotta retreat back into my bag.
All right, this is the rough part. Time to get up and get dressed.
It's the hard part about camping in the snow. You don't know what's underneath it. There could be huge rocks, trees, all sorts of stuff. It's easy to forget that those trees over there are like 15, 20 feet tall. We're just seeing the top little bit of them. I'll just keep digging around those trees and we'll just kind of deal with it as it appears. Well, I've run into the top of another tree. Dealing with these trees is the worst. As I cut away the sides, every so often the snow will settle and just go whoop. It's a nice little noise and scares the bejeebies out of me.